can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be unboxing some pieces that I have built up in the past couple weeks. Honestly, I haven't opened some of these. Some of these already saw the light of day, so y'all gonna be seeing them out the package. But it's all good, bro. It's all pickups that I've gotten. Unboxing kind of, you know, I gotta throw that in the title somewhere so y'all could click it. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure you click the post notification bells because you might just go ahead and see your name pop up right here if you comment notification gang, something dope about the video, anything. Honestly, I'm gonna just choose randomly for some people to be up here with me right now. You feel me? Y'all gotta flourish alongside me. So I know you just saw your name right there. You commented, you saw your name. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So honestly, in here I do have a tech pickup. I'm gonna save this for after this first package because it is already open. So I might as well just show y'all this right here. I know y'all see the little preem peeking out right there. This was a piece that I was actually pretty excited for if it is what I think it is. Big ass bag, little ass piece, but it's all good. We about to go ahead and we did get some things right here. We got the sticker pack with the Who the F is Supreme right there. We have another sticker behind it, I think, but I don't know what it is. There's another sticker right here. I might get it in the B-roll for y'all. Why the fuck you lying? Pretty clean pack right here though. We're gonna put that to the side. But right here we do have these Supreme water shorts. This is the first time I get this bag. I honestly never buy none of the tees that come in this bag because they be overpriced. I'm not even gonna lie. But right here we do got these water shorts, which honestly I'm amped for. These shits look big as hell. It's gonna be okay. We got that Supreme blasted right here. I actually really am feeling these. And what I like about these right here is that you could wear them as regular shorts, bro. Like, especially since they're black and not flowery and shit like that. You could definitely throw these on with a fit and make that shit look crispy. But we do got that Supreme blasted right there all around the leg. One of my favorite water shorts that came out this season. I like the ones that dropped this past week as well. Those were actually pretty hard. But right here we do got these logo applique or some shit like that. Water shorts. I don't know what that even means low key, but we do got this Supreme going all the way around it right there. Much needed piece to have in the collection because hey, you trying to flex on them, going to the beach or some shit, you could just pull out these right here. But low key, these might be some everyday shorts. Like, I ain't even tripping. They do got the net pocket and shit like that, but they do got a back pocket for the wallet. Yeah, it's big enough for the wallet. These low key do have the little bounty right there on the inside. If y'all could see the little bounty lining, shit is pretty there, you feel me? But I don't even know if I want to wear it with that. I might go ahead and rip that shit out. I don't know. We gonna figure that one out because I hate the bounty that's like hugging your shit, like the wedgie panties. I don't like those, you feel me? So I don't know if I'm gonna keep that on there, but this is a fire ass pair of shorts right here. Got that Supreme going all around it, like I said 4 times. We about to go ahead and get into the second piece, which is low-key some of the more important shit for the channel because this is gonna help out the content a whole lot. Trust me on that. I might have to build this shit. I don't know how it comes, but we about to get into it right now. Oh nah, it comes built. This is low-key a vibe, bro. This is a gimbal. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but it is some tech shit. This is gonna definitely improve the content a whole lot. Got instructions in there, but who uses those anyways? You got this little opening tool. I don't know what the fuck that's about to be used for, but little gimbal. See, for me, when it comes to tech shit, I feel like you could find something that's pretty good and not as expensive as the really expensive shit. Like, they got some of these that go for $300. I got this bitch for $30, you feel me? Like, I understand that sometimes you could do better, but I ain't trying to do all that right now. So shit, we chilling with this one right here, big boy. It has a lot of movements. I'm gonna have to figure this one out, but this is more like a tech pickup for if I want to do B-roll. The camera doesn't shake and all that type of shit because I noticed that when I did my sneaker collection, the camera was shaking a little bit too much, and when I did that unboxing and I tried to do the little B-roll for y'all, it was shaking. So I don't really like that shit. I went ahead and got this gimbal right here. I'm just trying to improve the quality. There's different positions and things you could do with it. If you guys are into filming and would like something like this, I'm gonna link it down below for y'all. I'm gonna also link my camera and all that, like my microphone, my tripod, everything like that will be linked down below if you guys are interested and do want to buy some of this stuff. But this is pretty fire. So the second package was that little gimbal right there for my DSLR, because that's definitely going to be really important if I'm trying to make the better quality videos that I'm trying to bring to the channel. That's going to be a must. Next up, we got another package that I low-key opened, and this is my favorite hoodie in my collection. I already know it, bro. This is the Cactus Plant Flea Market with Kid Cudi merch for Coachella, bro. this shit is fire, bro. Swimming in the light, super clean, has prints everywhere. The print on this is insane, bro. Like, you see the black right here is a regular print, then the water is like a double print, so it stands out, and this is like a double print as well, so it pops out of the actual graphic. That's insane to me. The prints are insane, bro. The quality on this hoodie right here is probably one of a kind. Like, that's why I love their hoodies, because they're just so plush and mad cozy, honestly. On the front, we do got this swim in the light graphic. Then on the back, we do got the Kid Cudi Coachella vibes on it right there. Got that Kid Cudi, super clean. I love Kid Cudi, I'm not even gonna lie. But on the sleeves, it does say surfing on. Then on the other one, it says my own wave. So technically, I'm surfing on my own wave, you feel me? I see the little sun, I see the vibes. This color too, whew, the camera isn't even doing it justice. It's like an orange, yellow, like a vibe, bro. Like, I low-key love this hoodie right here. This is definitely my favorite one. Has that print all over this shit, which is really clean. I honestly wish I would have bought more shit from that collection, bro, because this right here, this is it. This is it. They had a blue one that I honestly should have copped. The crew neck was lit, the shirts were lit. Everything from that little drop was a vibe, yo. Was definitely a vibe, yo. I'm feeling this hoodie right here. I low-key want to throw it on, but it's gonna get hot as fuck. So I'm gonna just leave this to the side for now. We're gonna come back to it though. Y'all gonna see me wear this shit for sure. We got 2 more packages to unbox, and both of these shits are Supreme. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this first package right here, which was one of the pieces that I was most excited for to drop this season. I'm so glad that I took a W on this and not something else, because this is something that I actually look forward to using in my future, you feel me? First, we do got some stickers right here. We got the Buju Bonton sticker right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open these for y'all. There's another sticker behind it as well. Then we do got a red box logo, but that's beside the point. Right here, we do got the cafetera, bro. The Greca is a vibe. You can't even tell me this shit isn't a vibe. It's a little bit smaller than what I expected it to be, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, bro. I'm really amped about this piece right here. Shit, this is gonna be in the collection for a while. I honestly don't see myself using this right here until I have my own crib, my own space type shit. Right now, I do have my own space, but technically, I wouldn't really be giving this the use that it deserves. I want to display it when I use it. I got the little kitchen towels. That's all shit that I'm gonna use when I get my crib. Fire piece right here, nonetheless. I do like this a whole lot, bro. Y'all don't understand. Like, this is a grail to Hispanics. Like, for me, when you show me this right here, it's like showing me a box logo, bro. This is so clean. It's definitely gonna be used. I promise y'all, whenever I do use this, y'all gonna see it on the video. I do like the packaging on it. I do wish it came with at least 1 cup or 2 cups, something like that, because this shit is like $60 to $70 after tax, and shit, the least we deserve is a fucking cup. But I'm gonna leave that to the side. This is a fire piece though. I was waiting for this shit all season. I'm so glad I cooked on it. Low-key, got that little logo on the back right there. Then you got that Supreme on the front, blasted right there, bro. Super clean piece. Definitely a vibe, bro. I feel like this was made in an earlier time, because it says 2016 right there, which means that this might have been made and they just dropped it this season, but this might have been around for a little while now. They probably got shit lined up for 2021 type shit, but I don't know. Fire ass piece right here though. Now we about to get into the last pieces that I did pick up, and this was from this past week, not this one yesterday, from week 18 if I'm not mistaken. This is what I got right here. Low-key, what the fuck? These came in 2 separate packages. I don't know why. There's a package in a package right here. We're gonna get into this one last, I guess, but we do got this right here, which is one of my favorite tees. We got the Reaper tee in navy. I am gonna go ahead and open this for y'all. We got another Buju Bonton sticker. We got this little cloud design as well. Then we got the Supreme sticker right there. Glad I got 2 of the Buju Bontons, because I do like collecting those type of stickers, honestly. This bag is empty. We about to go ahead and open this hoe up. Yeah, the colors on this piece right here are insane. I actually do like it, especially in this color, low-key. It does it justice, because the navy is a pretty clean touch, and something that we didn't see in the initial pictures was this Supreme on the back right there. That's when I was sold. I'm like, yo, this is hard, bro. Like, we got that little graphic on the front, real subtle. If you know, you know type shit. Then on the back, you get slapped with the Supreme. Like, that's fire to me, you feel me? Sometimes this is better than just a big ass box logo on the front. Let me know what y'all think about that down below. But fire ass piece. I actually really am feeling this one. Low-key, this might come on my trip with me. This one right here is low-key a vibe. Let me know what was your favorite tees that dropped on T Week. Low-key, I couldn't get my favorite one, which I'm hearing about, bro? Because I really wanted that dynamite tee. That one was supposed to come home with me, but low-key in the future, we gonna have to go get that. Some way, somehow, we gonna come up on that one. Fire-ass piece right here, though, the Reaper tee. The first tee that I did get this week alongside the cafetera. We gonna put this shit to the side, though. And now we open the official last package. Hopefully, they threw in more stickers since they put the bag separately. Hopefully, bro. Let's just see. Let's go. It's in another bag. We might have got lucky right here, folks. Come on, come on. Let's go. We got more stickers, bruh. We got the greeting sticker right there. We got another sticker behind it. And then we got the most fire tee in the most fire color. Besides the dynamite, we got the pink greetings tee right here. This is definitely for the personal, bro. This the one right here. Low-key, I keep saying that shit about everything I get. I feel like I just buy shit that I like. It is what it is. But this one right here, come on, bro. The pink on it too is crazy. Let me put this right here for y'all. Look, bro, come on. You not about to tell me this isn't a vibe. Especially if you're from New York, you would understand, bro. Greetings from Supreme with the twin towers behind it. You cannot go wrong with this right here. Especially in this pink colorway. It just looks clean. I honestly love the way pink looks on me too. So this is gonna be a vibe, bro. This one right here is definitely my favorite pickup from this whole video, low-key. I do like the pants. Yo, this is a pretty decent video. I like the hoodie. I like the pants. The Reaper tee was a vibe. The gimbal is much needed. We got the cafetera. Fire vid, bro. If y'all did enjoy this one, go ahead and leave it a like down below. It definitely goes a long way. Let's see if we can reach 200 likes on this video. Go ahead and show some love. Definitely would mean the world, man. Go ahead and click the post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I go ahead and post a new video. Hey, y'all might go ahead and see some more fire shit coming to the channel real soon. If y'all want to see more sneaker videos, any other type of videos, let me know. I am gonna try and vlog when I am on vacation. I don't know how that shit's gonna go, but we're gonna see, and we're gonna try to make some shit happen for you guys. I'm gonna try and keep posting throughout the summer. It doesn't matter if Supreme is done. Honestly, it's inspiring me to go even harder. I'm not gonna waste no more of your time. If you have any dreams, go ahead and chase them shits. Do not let down, do not let up, because somebody else will get ahead, and you don't want that shit, man. Go ahead and keep working hard, keep striving, ambitions through the roof all the times, and just do what you gotta do, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. You dig?
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one.